Hi all, welcome back. Today is 6th September 2022 and markets are already closed for the day. So in this session, we will try to analyze the Nifty 50 chart, Bank Nifty chart, and also the three stocks which we are focusing on. And these three stocks we have already discussed in yesterday's session also. So let us carry forward the same stocks today also and see what has happened today, and then we can plan for the next opinion on the stocks. Okay, so let's move on to the charts now. We'll go to Nifty. Okay, so first let us go to Nifty chart. Okay, here on 5th September, yesterday we have had a comment here. Based on our analysis, we have said that on weekly chart we have a bullish opening, but on daily chart still it has a no clue whether it will go up or down. So this is what the analysis that we have done yesterday, and today, as we mentioned on the daily chart, no clue. Today it has performed in the same manner, that it is a doji candle. So initially there was a selling, and again the buyers entered, and the Nifty went almost up to the 17,800 level, but again sellers brought it back down to this same level where it has opened. So that means today also it is in indecisive mode, that the traders or investors are not sure whether to break this level or should go down. So it is completely a no clue here again today also. So, but before going to that, let us see on the weekly time frame once if there is any clue there. So if I zoom in on a weekly time frame, okay. So what has happened? Opening of the week was very strong, but today, because of the doji candle and the selling pressure, the Nifty came down a bit. So still, by seeing this candle, we can say that sellers are taking their positions now. Maybe there is a chance of going or bringing Nifty down a little bit more. So at this moment, what we can say on the weekly time frame, on 6th September, on weekly time frame also, looking like sellers are starting to bring the Nifty down. So it is looking like that for me. So what I'm expecting here is there is a heavy supply zone here, and sellers are very strong, that they are not allowing the buyers to break that 17,800 key level, which we have plotted on the first day. So that is what we are seeing on the weekly time frame. So if I go to daily time frame once again, so daily time frame, again, this candle, as I mentioned a few minutes back, it is a doji candle. No clue whether buyers are strong or sellers are strong. So here again, the daily time frame, we did not get any information about the movement here. So for the day, what we can say is based on the weekly chart, we are seeing that sellers started taking their positions. Started taking their positions. Okay, so on daily time frame, again there is no clue still, so we have to wait on Nifty charts. So until, as I mentioned in yesterday's session, until it breaks this 17,800 level, we cannot get any idea or opinion on the next move. So yeah, we are seeing that buyers are trying to break it, but unfortunately the sellers are again making them failing again and again. So today they have closed it in a doji manner, but tomorrow I expect some more selling still. So my opinion, based on the weekly and daily time frame, I expect some sort of selling tomorrow, at least up to the level what 7,450, or and then there can be a retestment. So this is what my expectation, but I will draw in this way. So tomorrow I expect some sort of selling again up to the level 7,450. So I will add my more selling, and Nifty may fall up to 17,450 levels. This is what I am expecting on the tomorrow's behavior. If not tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. So until the buyers able to break this level, the sellers will be very strong at the moment. So they may take the bigger positions, and they may bring the Nifty down sharply. So there is a chance of making that down moment in this zone. So I hope if tomorrow, if they buyers break this level, then well and good. Otherwise, there can be a selling again, which and that too we cannot may go up to the trading level, because it is in the range. So it cannot expect a selling strongly, but we have to wait and see what will happen in this range. Okay, so what I'm saying here, on 6th September today, we are on weekly chart. Sellers started to bring the Nifty down. Yeah, on the sellers, we are seeing that. On daily chart, still no clue. But the expectation for the 7th September is more selling, and Nifty may fall down to 17,450 level. So this is my expectation, but tomorrow there can be a buying also, but we have to wait and see what will happen on the tomorrow session. So, but here it is very clear that we cannot take the long positions, and also we cannot take the short positions on the Nifty. So we have to wait still to take any prior decisions on the positions. So no trades on the Nifty, just we have to wait and see. And based on the price action that today, we are expecting a more selling tomorrow also, and it may fall down to 17,450 level. Let me go to Bank Nifty once. So Bank Nifty here, yesterday on 5th September, what we have analyzed, it is a bullish. Okay, but what happened today on the Bank Nifty chart, we are seeing here, right, on daily time frame. So it opened good. There's a gap up opening, minor gap up open, There was a buying initially, but unfortunately, all the buying was evaporated and it closed very below the day's opening. So we are seeing a selling pressure here also. So let me go to weekly time frame once. Okay, so if we are seeing yesterday, I think I have informed you that there is a level here, key high of this candle, that it did not close very strongly above that. So that's why I have, though I am bullish on the price action, I have said that to wait for some time. So as expected, today the buying has come initially, but it did not maintain that buyer level. All the price that has gone up has came down now. So closing is also again below this level. So it is looking like sellers here also the selling pressure is started now. So on the weekly time frame, we are seeing that selling pressure started on the bank Nifty also. Selling pressure started. Looking like selling pressure started here. Okay, so but though we are seeing that there is a selling pressure here, we cannot take the short position still. So we have to wait because uh, this can be a kind of profit booking selling also, because we are seeing that last week it's completely a bullish candle, and that means all the buyers are the bigger players there. So the buyers who have entered in last week might be there, they might be taking their closing their positions today. So that can be one of the case for this selling. So but this selling is not an indication for taking the short positions. And if I go to daily time frame once, okay, so daily time frame, yeah, today it was a bearish candle, so initial buying was evaporated, and the sellers brought the bank Nifty down up to 39,666 level. So what I can tell on the daily time frame here is, daily time frame also we are seeing selling pressure. Okay, that means that means we cannot take the short positions at the moment, and also due to the selling pressure we cannot take a long position also. So we have to wait and see a few more days, either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and then only we can get some opinion on the next move. So at the moment it is looking like some sort of selling pressure started in bank Nifty also. So that means for 7th September tomorrow, what I can expect here, uh, because of this selling pressure, okay, this because of the selling pressure, I expect that it may retrace back to this swing high, that is up to 39,400 level. Okay, so there is a chance of selling more selling again, and fall down to 39,400 level. Okay, so this is what we are expecting. So that means both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, what we are seeing, that is selling pressure. So both price actions are showing some selling pressure, and though there is a selling pressure in both the indices, we cannot take the short positions at the moment, and also we cannot take the long positions also, because we have to wait and see what will happen tomorrow, because will they continue rallying up or not. We have to make sure. Here Nifty, they are closer to that 17,800 level, so anytime they can pitch in, and buyers can take it up towards the 18,000 level. So we have to wait and see and take the position until that point of time. It's better to monitor the market instead of taking any decisions. Okay, so this is what we have analyzed on the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the 6th September today, and this is what we are expecting on the 7th September. So both the Bank Nifty and Nifty, we are expecting a selling pressure tomorrow also, and I have mentioned the levels up to where they can be falling if the selling pressure is continuing. Okay, so this is what we have seeing in the charts. So let us see what will happen tomorrow. Along with that, today, yesterday we have discussed these three stocks, right? JSW Steel, Tata Consumers, and Titan. So let me go back to that charts and see how they perform. So as I mentioned yesterday, we are bullish on only three stocks, but today what we are seeing on JSW Steel, yes, there is a buying over. Buying can be seen here, but it's not a very strong buying though, because you see, there is a candle high here on 12th August. The high of the 12th August is 12th August high is 685. So today it has closed below that level, 684.5. So it did not break this level still, but though it did not break it, the buyers are there. We are able to see that buying activity observing here. But unfortunately they did not close above that 685 level, closed above this candle high. So let's wait for tomorrow also and see, because if they confirm, once the closing happens above this 685 level, then as I mentioned yesterday, there are more chances that it may go up to 700 level. So at this moment, JSW Steel is still in our expected move only. And let me go to Tata Consumers once. So Tata Consumers, yeah, there is somewhat a selling pressure here. So as we have expected that if the price gets the support over this zone, then there is a chance of moving to this level. But unfortunately, that did not happen today. It fell more down and up to almost 2% fall we are seeing on the today's down moment. So this is move which we haven't expected. So let us wait and see what will happen tomorrow. But at this moment, this is not a level where we can think of taking a short position. So don't take any short positions, that I can suggest for sure. But taking the long position here, because of the selling candle, it's completely a bearish candle here. So that means we have to be very careful in taking the long positions. So wait until the price breaks this zone, whatever zone which we have plotted here. If it goes beyond that 830 or 840 levels, then there is a more chance of hitting 860 level. So one suggestion, don't take any short positions. For the long positions, wait until the price breaks that 830 or 840 level. So let's wait for tomorrow or for this week and see how the price behaves for the Tata Consumers. And coming to the Titan, yesterday, yeah, we have focused yesterday that there is a zone there. If I could zoom in again here. Okay, so let me zoom in. Yesterday we have plotted this zone, right? We have seen that there is some sort of selling pressure from last three trading sessions. So we plotted that, and today also, unfortunately, the same zone has created some rejection over there. So initially, starting of the day, the buyers tried again very strongly, but unfortunately, they did not make it stable over there. And sellers again entered, and they brought it almost up to the level where it got support. So it is playing in the range here. Their price is moving in the range now. So I can say that there is a zone created at the bottom also. So let me plot that range at the bottom so that we can see it clearly. Okay, how the price is moving in the range. Okay, so this is what we are observing. So yesterday we have discussed that if this zone breaks today or tomorrow, then there is more chances of price moving up to 2675 level. So that did not happen today, but yeah, they tried during initial 15-20 minutes, but though they said there is sharp selling from that level, but again buyers entered and they managed to bring the price up to that level. So, but unfortunately, the last 5 minutes there is a candle. We can ignore this move because this can be something like while closing the markets, there can be some unexpected move. So we cannot take any decision over this sharp selling candle here. But okay, we are seeing that the price is clearly moving in a range. So when the price is in range, we cannot take any positions. Just avoid it because it can move anywhere. Tomorrow also it can be in a range. Day after tomorrow also it can be in a range. And then next week also it can be still in a range. So until these zones are broken, we cannot predict any move till that point of time. So yeah, still we are bullish on the Titan only because though there is a selling pressure, they are not going down below this zone or the support which they have taken now. So still there is some sort of support, I think. Still the buyers are there and we can be positive on the upside move. Okay, so let's wait and see if again to remind you, this can be the key levels here. So until it breaks, we cannot take any decisions. Okay, so this is what we have observed. So out of 3 stocks yesterday which we have discussed, 2 are in our favor still, that is JSW Steel and Titan is in positive note still. Only the Tata Consumers today it has got the huge selling pressure, but still that too we cannot take any short position at the moment. We have to wait because though we are seeing a very sharp selling today, tomorrow it can be a buying zone also, buying a day also. Wait and see, and if it goes beyond that 830 or 840 level, then there is a more anticipating 860. So this is what the analysis. So just to remind or just to recollect everything again. So I can say that on Nifty, tomorrow we are expecting a selling. We are expecting a selling, but it may happen, it may not happen. So if it breaks 17,800 level, then it can, the scenario can be changed and buyers can be stronger from there. They can take it up to 18,000 level. So until that point of time, the selling pressure will always be there until that point of time. So because of that selling pressure, I'm expecting a downfall up to 17,450 level. And coming to Bank Nifty again, yeah, this is also a selling pressure seen today. So it can, as we are expecting that it may be retraced up to the swing high that we have plotted here, but that is up to 39,400 level. So Bank Nifty are on selling pressure. JSW still on bullish side still. Titan is on bullish side still. Tata Consumers still it is a bullish, but we have to wait for the any kind of long positions. Okay, so we have to wait on the Tata Consumers. JSW Steel and Titan also, yeah, they are bullish, but still they did not give any confirmation on the move. So we have to wait for one more day and see what will happen tomorrow session. Okay, I hope this analysis will help you for your analysis also. Kindly let me know if you have any doubts or if you want any more explanations. So thanks for your time. Yeah, thank you. Bye.